Hello, my name is Oluchi Okafor and I manage Multimix Academy. We're here to talk about 5 golden rules of supply chain management. The first rule of supply chain management is collaboration. Just as the name implies, supply chain, a chain is interdependent on each of its links. So collaboration is a fundamental part of supply chain. You can't do without it. Everybody has to work with everybody. There's no passing the buck. If it goes wrong, everybody's at fault. If it goes wrong, everybody feels it. So collaboration is incredibly key for supply chain management. The second rule is to know how you create value. Value is not what you say it is, value is what your customer says it is. The flow of information in supply chain management is both ways, from the producer to the consumer, from the consumer to the producer. It's important that you use that information to harness what your customers feel about you, how they think that should add value to their lives, and that will aid all the supply chain management decisions that you and your team and your management will end up taking. The third golden rule is to understand your capabilities. With supply chain management, it's not the space or the time to deceive yourself on what your abilities are. Where you see that you fall short, that's why there's always the option of outsourcing. Always make sure you look for partners who are better at what you want to achieve than you are, and achieve the best with them. The fourth golden rule is actually 2 rules: time and transparency. When dealing with supply chain management, time is of the utmost importance because the time that the customer gets what they have asked for is incredibly important, just as important as the quality of product that they've ordered. Transparency also means carrying your customers along every step of the way. If there's a problem, you should let them know. If there's a challenge, you should be open enough to confess that challenge on time so the customer can take the best decision for their own business at that time. The fifth and final rule that we're going to be discussing today is understanding your cost to serve. Now, supply chain management is all about cost efficiency and customer satisfaction, with customer satisfaction being the more important role. Now, that does not mean that you can't be creative in finding ways to save costs for your company, but ensuring that your customers are satisfied ultimately without declining the product quality at any given point. So it's important that you understand how much does it cost me as a producer to ensure that my customer is satisfied, but still ensuring that my company doesn't run at a loss. To learn more about this, we actually have a fantastic online certification course which has been running for 17 years in this country. It's called the Certified International Trade and Logistics Specialist course. It's an international course respected in over 143 countries, and I believe that if you join, you'd actually get so much more knowledge about supply chain management and get even more golden rules than I've shared with you today. We hope to hear from you about this, and we'll be happy to enroll you in our next stream. Till then, my name is Oluchi Okafor. Have a wonderful day.